In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to choose Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then select Open under Cuckoo, and when you're ready, click on Cuckoo Password Manager. Now, if you don't have Add Password option, that means that you never added one before, and you need at least one to add another one or another ones manually. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then leave Settings opened in the background and log into any website or any app that requires an account. When you do that, you will see Google Password Manager pop up. You will have to click on it. I will show you in a second. This one, so tap on Save. And then go back to Google Password Manager. After a few seconds, you will see your password and with it Add Password option. So now, to add another one manually, hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!